Let me let you in on a little secret. It doesn't take talent to be a great artist. It simply requires passion and knowledge. And if you have the passion and combine it with knowledge, then you can be successful. What happens when you sit down to create a work of art? Do you know where to start? Do you know how to use the materials properly? Does it feel like guesswork? Maybe you see what other people create and you wish that you could do that too. It can be extremely frustrating if you don't know what you're doing. You may even feel lost, which leads to more frustration, which may lead to you eventually giving up completely. Maybe you seek out answers on places like YouTube, where you're confronted with an endless list of unrelated videos where artists just show you how they created their art without really teaching you anything. There are plenty of great artists out there, but most of them can't teach in a way that makes it easy for you to understand. Drawing and painting are skills that anyone can learn and develop, but the concepts need to be taught in a specific order. And that's exactly what we do here at The Virtual Instructor. Our program is focused on your success as a learner, with many different ways for you to learn and, most importantly, be successful. Our in-depth, logically sequenced video courses are offered on just about any subject and medium that you can imagine, and they're all included. Learn the core concepts of drawing and painting. Learn pencil drawing, colored pencils, pen and ink, and pastels. Or dive into painting with courses on watercolor, acrylics, and oils. No matter what you want to learn, we have an on-demand course for you, and new courses are continually being developed and added to the program. Now, not everyone learns by just watching video alone, so we've included ebooks with each of the video courses. Each ebook features a step-by-step breakdown of the concepts discussed in each course module. You can print out the ebooks and use them as you go through the course modules. But courses alone just aren't enough. We offer other ways for you to learn as well. Learn live with our weekly live lessons, which are streamed directly from the studio each week on a variety of subjects and mediums. Ask questions live and learn as the art is created in real time, right before your eyes. Can't make it live? No problem. Each lesson is recorded and added to your on-demand library. Access all of the lessons we've ever published, with new ones added weekly. Join us each week for the Members Minute, where we critique a member-submitted artwork, answer your questions, and provide you with a little motivation to keep going. Submit your art for critique or simply learn from the critiques of others. Our library of critiques continues to grow each and every week. Our program is great for learners at all levels, but it's also used by thousands of art educators, and that's why we've included the Ultimate Lesson Plan. The Ultimate Lesson Plan is not a single lesson plan, but instead a year-long curriculum complete with all of the resources you need to teach. Teachers simply don't have the time to create the resources they need, so we've taken care of it for you. Each of the Ultimate Lesson Plans includes videos, PowerPoint presentations, essential questions, student examples, handouts, and more. And the year-long curriculum is sequenced in a logical way and covers everything an art student should learn in a middle or high school class. Now, if you're ready to take the guesswork out of creating art and see the same results that we've helped tens of thousands of people like you achieve, then it's time to take the next step. I'd like to invite you to join us today. Come on in and take a look around with our 7-day trial. Get instant access to all of our courses, ebooks, live lessons, critiques, lesson plans, and more. See if the program's right for you. If it's not, canceling is easy with just 2 clicks. On top of all this, we also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So essentially, you have 37 days to try out the program risk-free. Judith writes, "Just wanted to share my news, Matt. At my second art show, I received a Judge's Merit Award on one of my oil paintings. This wouldn't be happening if it weren't for you and your website. Thanks again for helping me become an artist." And Maurice writes, "I applied to the School of the Arts Institute of Chicago and not only got accepted, but received a full scholarship and some more. When I wanted to develop my drawing and art skills, your videos were exactly what helped me to do so. Your positive and motivational advice and expertise was a blessing, and I want to thank you for being the type of person that you are in supporting people's dreams and passions." And Alexia simply writes, "This is without a doubt the most amazing online experience I have ever had. Matt is an excellent instructor, and the videos are hands-on, superbly paced, and perfectly executed. Bravo." And Niall writes, "Hey Matt, used this video today in my second year art class with Ultimate Lesson Plan resources. OMG, what a class it was. What a joy it was to be able to give each student one-on-one while your videos clearly, concisely, eloquently, and expertly explain the concepts. That's a big thank you from Ireland." So are you ready to get started? I look forward to seeing you on the inside.